Hello, I'm Shan Li. Let me show you how to draw the radial bar chart. In this plugin called Figma NB Charts, the method of drawing radial bar chart is relatively simple. Let's take a look first. There are already some basic parameters here. Then I will draw one first to show you the result. First, we need to create a new frame. The range of this box is the size of the chart after it is generated. Click the drawing button. Radial bar chart is finished quickly. Next, take a look at the parameters here. Here you can set the size, which refers to the width of the bar. I'll set the size a little smaller now. Take another look at the drawing results. Okay. Next is spacing. I'll increase the spacing. Restore the size first, then click the drawing. Compared with the first chart, it is obvious that the spacing is wider. Next is endpoint. In most cases, the endpoints of radial bar chart are arc-shaped. We also reserve the option of square endpoints. This is what the endpoints of the square look like. I switch back now. What does background mean? It's the unfilled part of this bar. The current background color is gray by default. I change the background color to dark. Then this black part is the background. Then let's take a look at the text settings. The current text display content is the data name. Each of these data has its own name. Here you can choose the text content you need to display. I choose name and value, then click the drawing. That's it. Next, I will introduce to you the data settings. This data range is the range of one circle of the bar. It is obvious that there are currently 5 data values here. You can fill in the name and value of each data yourself and change color. The current maximum range is 100. Then I will change the first data to 100. We will see. This circle should be completely filled. Let me introduce the 2 buttons below, specifically for this chart. It is a function arranged in numerical order. Click the Sort Ascending button. Then click the drawing. Now, it's sorted from outside to inside, in ascending order. Next, I add a few data values. Click the plus sign on the right of the data. Because there is more data, so I set the size a little smaller. Then click the drawing. This is how you add data. Okay, this part of the tutorial is over. Thanks.